In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in a certificate on Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and head into the area where your certificates are managed. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From there, click on Memberships. This is where you can manage learning content, member access, and of course, certificate-related assets. After that, move up to the top menu and click on Credentials. This section is where Gohighlevel stores items like certificates and similar recognition materials. If you already have a certificate saved and ready to edit, you can use that for this example, which is exactly what we're doing here. Using an existing certificate is a quick way to make visual updates without having to build a new one from scratch. Now click on the certificate you want to edit. This will open the certificate editor where you can customize the layout and design. On the left-hand side of the editor, click on Element. This panel gives you access to the different items you can add to your certificate design. Inside the element options, look for icons. This is the section that contains the visual symbols you can place onto your certificate. Icons can be useful for making the design feel more polished, branded, or decorative, depending on the style you're going for. Once you find the icon section, select the icon you want and click on it. As soon as you do, the icon should appear on your certificate canvas. From there, you can resize the icon and move it into the exact position where you want it to appear. Take your time with this part so the icon fits naturally into the overall layout. You'll usually want to make sure it doesn't overlap important text and that it complements the rest of the design instead of distracting from it. A helpful tip here is to think about balance and spacing. If your certificate already has a title, signature area, or border elements, try placing the icon in a spot that enhances the design without making it feel crowded. Small adjustments in size and placement can make a big difference in how professional the final result looks. Once you're happy with the icon size and position, go ahead and click Save. That's it. Your certificate will now include the icon you added. And that's how to add an icon in a certificate on Gohighlevel.